Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in. I'm trying to collect the travel history called transactions from the RTA website using a Python code. The reason is, first of all, it's not copyable. So if you copy this thing into Excel, I'm using like LibreOffice or something like that for now, it's not gonna be good. And if you even try to use a text editor, it works, but it's not the best thing that you can have. So if you check this here, you probably can do regex for the amount. You probably can do that. Yeah, you're probably gonna do this with the regex and you're gonna be fine as long as you know some basics, which we're probably gonna do, but it's not gonna be easy task for people, especially if you're looking for a data collection during a couple of months or a year. And the reason is they only provide the last months of data. So I'm trying to write an automation that actually uses your username and password, logs in, you fill out the captcha, and saves everything to the disk for you. That way I can easily automate this thing to save it like every 2 weeks or something for me, and I can finally get to have 1 year of data, hopefully. So this is the basics. Let's go and start. So this is my newly created Python project. Let's create a new folder called .venv, and let's create ppenv-python 312 seems good. And this way it's gonna populate the .venv with a pip file. So it's a ppnv virtual env. It's kind of like more advanced, hopefully easier for people to use, and has a log file too. So if I say ppnv install, it actually creates a log file, and now people can use this version. Also, there is a thing that I hate that limits the Python version to a very specific version. I'm not using any weird library or something, so this should work and it's easier. I probably think I should do a lock. I'm not quite sure, but that seems working. I should do the install. Okay. So the first thing I want to do is to be able to access that website. I know the, I don't know. I know the main request library that Python has. Probably doesn't work. So let's start with a notebook. Yeah. So let's create a notebook and let's save it as a notebook. Okay. Hopefully it detects a kernel environment. Yeah, it does. It's good. Awesome. The issue is gonna be it needs to install itself. So let's see if it can install itself. I don't want to add it to the ppnv because this is a Visual Studio Code thing, and Jupyter is usually installed everywhere else. So, and it's not needed when you run it. I might be able to add it to the dev dependencies in here, which, wow, it already did it. Wow, nice. Okay, older versions wouldn't do that. So let's try something simple. Just let's print something like works. Okay, so I was imagining to use Solana. No, not Solana. Uh, let's search it out. So it has a WebDriver something in it. Selenium. Okay. I used this thing before and it's kind of okay. Like I have issues and everything once in a while with it, but it's mostly okay. So let's follow the get started guide. And okay, sure. Does it have a Python thing? Let me zoom in. So pip install Selenium. Instead, we're gonna do ppnv install Selenium. And what else do we need? Okay, so this is a requirements. Next step, created. Ouch. Let's see if the Chrome works, because Chrome shouldn't work on my system. So, where's the import for this? Interesting. Okay, so we probably need to import it somehow. So from Selenium, yeah, import WebDriver. Let's see if it works. It shouldn't take this long unless it's downloading something, which, no, not this one. Monitor. Yeah, yes, it does. Okay, hopefully it does download this one here, or that is in the VNV, so I can remove it afterward or something. But it should be almost done, which it's not. Interesting. Okay, wow, yeah, it works. I'm happy now. So, let's go to RTA with them. So the driver, now we have it. How do we do this? So let's go to the RTA website for the login. I already logged in and I don't want to lose those. So let's create, should I? Okay, let's go ahead here. Let's pause and log out because I don't want my credential to easily get away. Okay, it seems that if you're even not logged in, there's this page that you can use. And by providing a null ID, which probably already is leaked, yeah, there's no point of me not showing it anymore because it's already leaked. So by providing my null tag ID, you are able to, okay, you are able to get like, how many? 2 transactions? Damn. Okay, so not useful RTA. These guys still okay. Look, ePurse. What's going on here? It's weird. Okay. They told me it's gonna be a week or something, but it's nothing close to that. So we probably have to log in, and oh, their login is like really weird. So let's go back to the RTA itself. Let's do a login. Let's create an account. Is there a login in here? No. Come on, you guys don't have a login? Okay, login. Individual company. Let's open a new tab for this. Okay, so basically copying this link should work. So let's, okay, we already ran this. I'm gonna put this here to see if my cute Selenium goes here. Now I need to get these items in here. Sure, the horrible UI that I have in here, let's make it full screen. And let's get these out over with. So, placeholder is this, the name is username, which is fine. Also the ID is username, that's a plus. I don't have to like struggle with them. And this one, the name and password is password. Thank you, RTA, like, you're the best. So, in Selenium, we probably have something to find an element by name or ID. I love it. So let's do this. It's a text box. Find it by name. Probably I have to import something from by Selenium. Import by or something. How do you do by? Give me the full code. Okay. Common by. Okay, so from this, one of them is username, so make it username box, and the other one is password box. I hate the box saying it's like a text box, not a box, but well, we want to do it fast, so let's see how it works. and I'm gonna do username and password. So run this. Okay, not fun. So username dot get something. Get uh get something from this. How do you get something? It's just send. Okay, first of all, we don't want to get anything. We want to send something. So let's send it. So let's send Selenium to the user box and to the password. It's not bad. Selenium 1 to the password. So let's run this. And here we're gonna get this. I'm gonna remove the placeholder password so we can see this. Oh my god. Oh, sorry, the type password. Okay, I thought it's gonna rejuvenate and like repair itself. That's interesting. So in here we can send these, and there is a login button called, does it have a name? Aw, why do you guys don't have a name? So get this, put the name here. This is the login button. This is ID. Can I do ID here? And after you fill these, oh, you also have to clear them after a while. So after you fill these, make sure to click this. Is it the correct? Yeah, click. And how can I clear it? Okay, let's try it. If I do, Selenium goes away. Okay, I don't need to clear it because if I run it again, it's gonna work. So I'm gonna pause now, add my credentials to a .env file, I suppose, and come back here. Okay, back to the procedure. So I basically created, let's remove this. I created a file template env that has a username, password, and a null card. And I'm gonna load it here because I'm using the Jupyter notebook. I'm not sure if it's gonna reload this thing. So I'm gonna install this to make sure the envs are actually loaded. The ppnv itself loads them, or like even the Streamlit loads them, but I'm gonna do something in here. So from, I believe this, or no, sorry, from .env. I don't know why the name is weird. Load this and write everything else for me. Come on. No. I usually use the OS. So I use OS something. Thanks for not populating them for me. OS dot get env, and I'm not sure. Okay, that's good. So let's use these. You already saw my null card, and I'm gonna write this here. Let's do this. Okay, so the null underline card equals this. The null, the RTA underline username equals this. The RTA underline pass. I hate this keyboard. Password. RTA underline password equals this. And hopefully this is not gonna print anything now. Now we can continue filling these. And it's gonna be RTA username. It's gonna be RTA password. The issue is I have to restart the driver because I don't want you guys to see my password at least. And I probably don't want you guys to see anything. So let's close the driver. Let's run this, and I'm gonna show you guys what's happening after logging in. So Let's pause. Okay, so I relaunched the script, restart the kernel, ran it all, and now we're inside here. So now we are able to actually go to the other link that we had. Where was it? Here. So if we go here now, using the same thing, and we probably can trigger this here. I'm not sure. Like, should I click this? Sure, I'm gonna click this, do this, fill, oh, wait for the user, and then continue doing it. So, sure, RTA, sure. You could have just give us two option or a fillable option. Yeah, I love your way of coding, but you have more money than me, you're a big company, so let's just go to, was it go to? Let's get, damn. Okay, get this URL. Now you're gonna go there, and I'm gonna go there myself. I'm gonna find this element. Okay, what's the name of this thing? Oh, love the UI. This doesn't have a proper name. Damn. Okay, so let me move this down at least. Okay, like a real developer. So we've got this and this. Login tab, cider next. Wow. Okay. What should I do with this? I can filter it based on these. Like this thing, these two are the same. It doesn't have a name. It has a label I can click on. For RTA offer. Oh, there's actually an input, huh? I'm doing this because I basically can fill the reCAPTCHA here. Okay, let's put some time and see if there is a really good reCAPTCHA option. So let's use this. Python reCAPTCHA prompter scrape prompt, something like that. How to solve a reCAPTCHA by Python and Go, scraping a web that requires input and reCAPTCHA. Let's see what other people say in here. Sure. Really nothing alternatively. Selenium. Yeah, that's why I chose that. But I like it too. Okay. Let's figure something out. Let's just forget it. Let's just do this. So this says enter called null tag. Can I somehow get this item? So does it have a name? It doesn't. Okay, I probably can. Let's do a select something. So if I do this, how is copy? Does it have an HTML selector? These things used to have HTML selector. So capture, know the screenshot, scroll onto focus, something. Copy HTML. Oh, just on top. Okay, let's. Oh, damn, it's too long. So it says null refund for. You guys haven't changed it. Yeah, developers. Damn. So it's using the same form as a refund. Okay, works for me. I don't care. So Selenium CSS selector, I guess. Sure. Let's see what you have. How? By CSS selector. Thanks. Okay. This is called inter tag number, let's call it, and let's put these in double quotes, integer tag number, CSS. That's enough, long enough name. So let's do driver dot CSS selector dot this. No, it's all wrong. So find element. Come on. Why do they do these? Okay, find element. This, we have to click on it. Come on. You're gonna click on this thing. Let me remove this. We probably don't need it. So we're gonna go there. We're gonna find this. We're gonna click on it. And we have it here. Let me go back here. Oh, we don't even need to go back there. But let's see. So nothing. Okay. Oh, here. The click didn't work. So driver has no find element. How? Okay, different version or something probably. Come here. By has no attribute CSS selector. What's going on here? What language was it? Okay, here. Let's find it from these. CSS. Damn, they changed everything, or is it another language? Another library or something? str is not callable. Huh. What do you get? What do you get when you run this? str, why do... Okay, maybe there is more to this. Yep. It's called buy something. I don't understand the value. Oh, okay, sorry, my bad. I'm trying to do it so fast that I lose accuracy. So the value is the tag. The buy is like, I don't expect that to happen. Okay, let's also click on it. Now that we know. Yay! I guess you can click anywhere on that thing and the CSS thing works as long as it works. Okay, the name is this thing. So we need to do driver.find element and by equal by dot name. I guess the value equals this thing dot send keys. Okay, now we're gonna do the null card. And we're gonna, should I click here? It's gonna make it tough for the user, but then at least they know. I'm not sure. Oh, I'm not gonna do it. Okay, so then print fill the cap. Okay, mark the captcha and fill its challenge. Press next and let me know. Instead of print, make it an input. So let's do this. It's gonna go here, it's gonna fill this. I'm gonna do the I'm not a robot. And I'm not a robot, or am I a robot? So let's verify this. Let's do the next. Yay! So, oh damn it, this thing cannot handle the input. Oh, it can. Okay, just press enter. Okay, so let's just continue with a print that says extraction and we need this section. So how can I get this thing? Okay, this is really good. So get a copy CSS selector. What was it called? Travel history. Travel history underline CSS equals this thing. No, this thing. And driver dot find element by equals by something dot CSS selector where this thing dot. It's not a click anymore. So now I need the info. So travel history. Come on, history. I feel bad with this keyboard. Do I have a spell checker? Yep. Okay. So now do the extraction. Make sure that you actually have this dot. I need the HTML. Selenium get item HTML. Come on, Google. Why does it come up? Why does this one come up? This was wrong beforehand. Okay, we should be careful. Get attribute in HTML. Oh, this is Java. Thank gosh. Okay. Okay, nice. So let's get this. Let's put it here. Let's clean it. My bindings doesn't work, so let's clean it. Damn. Okay, let's make it sample underline transact. What was it called again? Travel history. Travel history dot HTML. And let's format it again. Why does it have class? Okay, yeah. Format the document. Why is it so bad? Who wrote this thing? Damn. This is bad. Okay, I hate these at the beginning and the end. So, not sure if the beautiful soap works on this. So Python beautiful soap 4. Is it the latest version? I'm not sure. Let's go to the GitHub page. It doesn't have a GitHub page. Okay, come on, Git source nothing. How can I trust you? You don't have, okay, source. Here, where the hell is this thing? Okay. Beautiful soap. Or is it beautiful soup? I don't know. Let's see if there are alternatives to this. Alternatives to this. What do Python uses? What's the best one? Read HTML? Hell no. Parse HTML? Okay, let's just use it. Let's see if there is anything better. HTML5 lib. I used this and it was good. Selenium also is good. Okay, let's see if I can do it with Selenium. So we have an object. We have no idea about the structure of it, but we know, okay, this is travel history. Oh, you know what? Let's just replace these, the backslash ends, with nothing. Literally, yeah. Replace these with nothing, because they shouldn't be here. Or, you know what? For the sake of it, let's just do this. Okay, let's just do this. Backslash. Where's the other backslash? Backslash n with an actual backslash n. Oh, okay, so makes more sense. And let's do a format document. Okay, now it's cleaner. Somebody actually went out of their way to write these like that. Okay, so we do not care about the header. Probably we're gonna assume it, but we're gonna care about this. So let's get it by. So now travel history dot find element by equals by. Oh, damn. How do you know? How do you know? I like it. Okay. So get this and show it? Okay, you cannot show it. Let me know what do you have. Oh gosh. So for some reason GPU or like something problem, I hope this recording doesn't go to hell from this point forward. Let me pause it. Okay, hopefully everything is working. I'm not actually sure, but let's just continue doing this. I also hate these inters. So let's do \n and just replace them with 1. Also, let's replace \t with nothing. Okay, with a space at least. Okay, it's not a \t. Okay. And okay, it's easier on the eye now. But God, why do you design a website for a country like that? Damn. Okay. I'm probably gonna replace it myself before continuing with this thing, but no. So I got this. How do I get its children? So let's do dot get attribute. No. Child. Okay. Find elements. This one has an S. Find elements that have a row assigned to them. Oh no, it's like different every turn. This is a class row. Okay. Okay. So basically class row is unique. Okay, but this is row 24. This is row 24. Are they like diff? Yeah. Okay, so can I find that? Okay, I'm here. I kind of wanna just get the divs. But does it work? Like, where does it finish? When does it end? I hate these \t's. So let's just get rid of them. Let's reformat the document. So we actually see when they, okay, we can do this. So find elements by equals let's do by dot. Does it have a type? CSS selector name tag name. Okay, the tag name is a div because the developer was boring. So we get them all. That's good. That's a really good thing. So let's call it rows underline HTML because I'm gonna have a lot of rows. And let's just do a len of rows to know how many we have, which is not. Oh my god, is it? Are they showing us? Are they having it all here without showing it? Are they? No way. There's no. Maybe it's like. Okay, maybe it's gonna go inside it. So let's do selenium children, I guess. Get all children elements. Sure, with star works. Yeah. Okay. Let's do it like a CSS selector this time. So select elements. Am I correct? No, not here. Select elements by CSS selector. I need the direct childs though. Go back. Do direct childs. All immediate child and XPath. Sure. Not this one, this one. XPath. The path is star. Okay. This is okay. Not okay. Something is wrong here. I don't like it. Something is wrong. So I've got this, but it tells me one is this one, the other one is this one. It's not giving me the rest. Show me one of them. What can you tell me about it? Dot get attribute HTML. Travel history? Where is that? Are we that high? Okay, something is wrong. We've got travel history. We didn't. We found it, but we never called it travel. Oh, I made a big mistake. Okay, so let's call it travel HTML. And oh, it's not HTML. Travel table. Let's call the travel history table to make it like work. But something is wrong. I made a mistake. So in here, I selected the travel history thing, which is all of that. And that was the HTML. Then I did SS table something. So SS table is this thing. And what should I call it? This is the actual table. Okay, sure. Now let's do this on, again, do this, do this. 126. That is interesting. Okay, so the first one has a ton of information. Let me count these first to see how many we should receive. Let's not come here. Let's go back to here, to this, and count how many of these. Okay, 128. That's correct. Yeah, -2, I guess. So we have them all. Now we have to extract the information in each of them. So to extract information from this thing, we can get all the divs, or we actually can be a little bit smarter to this, to have a, let's do a class travel, because everything is called travel here. Travel is enough. Sorry. Okay, let's call it a travel, and travel has an init, which what's the type of these things? What's the type of this? Type this. Selenium, WebDriver, something. That's long. Okay, fine. Sure. Doesn't like Selenium, I believe. Okay, we do have a WebDriver. Okay. I usually don't do this, but this is Python and 120 rows. 128 rows is nothing. So let's just keep the original record somewhere. But now we actually can fill the information in here. So we can say, not here. You can say tag ID. How can I have multiple tag IDs in my transaction of a tag ID. Is RTA insane or something? Okay. Let's just do the date. So the date equals row find element by class name. I have no idea about the class name in here. So let's figure it out. Oh, damn. Damn. Okay, no, it doesn't work like that. So let's do children equals row dot the other one find by this. So find by elements xpath. So find the children, the date, and just to escape this, let's do null card equals, does it null card? Null tag ID. Null tag ID equals children 0. Children 0 is this. Okay. Dot get attribute. Come on. Inertia. Wow, that's smart. Dot. Should I replace the okay, I'm gonna clean it afterwards. So this is this, and for this one also do children 1 dot do the same thing. So date time. Come on, fill it up. Wow, you're slow. Time trip and amount. Trip and amount. The trip though has a couple of issues because the developer was fancy or something. It has a row in row. So it's detail date. What? Am I crazy or are they crazy? This is the not. What's this? Okay, sure. This is the 2925. Do I get it in a better format? No. What's going on? There's a view detail label here. This is a JavaScript call. Damn. Where's the view data? Damn. Okay, show me it. No. Why RTA? Why? It's my fault. Okay. Come here. Why do you show me this? So this is this check-in. This is the amount. This thing is hidden. Why? This is mobile only. Are we still in mobile only? Yeah. So we click this. Who developed this website? Okay, I don't get it. So basically the data is duplicated. Okay, I guess it's nobody comes to this page, but RTA, come on, get better developers. Damn. Okay. Is this the same exact thing as Opter? Okay. So this says checkout here. So where's the rest of the information? Checkout. Oh, World Trade Center metro station. Yeah, okay. Gosh. Okay. So I believe the time, trip, and amount are like all set. Now we have to write a clearing thing. So let's do def Should I do a static thing? It's fine, but okay, let's do it. Let's do a static thing. So let's do cleanup. What do you call them when you have a? What will you call when you have a string dot uh, strip? Okay, strip inner HTML string, and I'm gonna sure, but replace /n/n. Come on. Oh, the \n here is gonna be different. So \n and nothing. And I'm not sure if I can add multiple things in here. Can I? Come on, you were showing me the document, weren't you? Okay, dot replace, doesn't matter, not much. \t. Okay, this is my keyboard, that's why. Okay, so doing this, we're gonna get a really good thing. And I'm gonna strip this. Let's do is it abstract method? It's not the abstract method, it's a static method. Static method. And kinda wanna do, I didn't want to do this, but I'm doing it. Okay. Null tag ID, date, time, trip, something, something. I don't like it. Sorry. Oh no. Doing these, it's always weird and messy. Thank God that this doesn't have a semicolon at that. And self dot something. Okay. So now we actually have the information in this class and it can actually handle everything. We can have more classes for everything else, but honestly, it doesn't matter. And honestly, I don't need to convert it to an actual code that runs anywhere. I can just, I want to make it so people can use it. Okay, let's do it in a couple of videos. For now, let's just go through all of these. So rows underline HTML. Can you do a for each for me? Dot apply. Does it have an apply? Does it have a does it have a map? It doesn't have anything. I don't want to do. Okay, let's see what the AI does. Okay, apply travel to. Thanks. Come on. Come on. I didn't want it to do this. I can use it. Okay. So travels equal this thing that is actually this. And now we're gonna be fine. So these are travels. It's not a good idea. You know why? Because I actually could turn it into NumPy. Okay, I kind of like NumPy. It has everything. So instead of making it a class, let's do these. Let's call it extract travel. And although it has a static method, we can actually move this thing to the top and use it here. We can ignore all the self. Classes are like interesting, but no, I stuck. I'm stuck. Okay. This is a game for me to. Sometimes it's hard to do this. Okay. Do I need the children? Sure. Do I need anything else in here? No tag ID and everything. Then just return a dictionary for me, please. No, a dictionary. Come on. No tag. Come on, fill it up. Yep. Thank you. And let's make sure that it knows I'm gonna return a dictionary. Yep. Self is there, everything's good. So we have this extract travel, and we have travels. Can we have pandas? Keep env install pandas. Okay, I said numpy, but I actually meant pandas. Interesting. So let's see travels, like 3 of it. Oh, tough. Missing one require row. Doesn't have a self now. Why did you add a self? Okay, sure. It was a... What happened? What happened? Why did you... Okay. Why is it so slow? What's going on here? What's going on here? Damn. Okay, replace doesn't actually replace one. I need to replace all. Oh, damn it. Okay, yeah. You have a replace all, so do it. And also dot replace any doubles with one. Not any doubles. Can I do a regex? Can I do R? It's a \s plus, no, not a plus. It has to be 2 or more. So how do you write a 2 or more? 2, comma? Is it how you write it? So regex 101. Yeah. A, and match the A to and this. Okay, so am I correct with this modifier? 2 and this, 3 or more. That's correct. So let's... Should I do it for everyone? Okay, replace all. I don't like that it's replace all. Okay. Python replace all. Yeah. What? How good the... Okay, do you have it all? You don't have it all. So the replace should replace everything, but it didn't. I don't get it now. It's faster this time. No, it's not, because that's the definition of the function. Ah, gosh, maybe I'm not formatting one of them. I'm doing this, that, inner HTML. Okay, let's actually move this thing to here and call it a child, like item. Call it an item. We know that the type of the item is like this. So we can actually get rid of all of these. Okay, this is nicer. And so let's call it extra. Like, I don't want to do F2 to just mess up everything. Let's just do it manually because it's a Jupyter notebook. So they're gonna do extract these, and I can put them here, but it's fine for now. I'm not sure why the thing doesn't work. Let's see. Oh, let's not see here because we already have a notebook here. Let's say we have a multiple A's dot replace A with B. Sure, replace. It works! Okay, the reason that it might not work is the doubles, maybe? Can it be? Can it be that you printed them as a... Okay, what are these? Do you mean the tabs are... okay, I don't care. So I can actually strip them. It doesn't need my attention. We're good. We're really good, except this one. Except this one that has a span in it. So the amount is not fine. Define extract amount. Fill everything for me. And I'm gonna do this. It has to do the get attribute, but dot find element by dot same thing works, just put it here. Okay, so for the amount, just do this. It's kind of slow, isn't it? Oh, people cannot do the recap. Okay, sure. I have to find a binding or something for it. Oh, I can write the same code with Rust. Wow, okay, interesting. I like to do that. I was looking for a challenge in Rust. So check out. Now that we're this far, let's, instead of the trip, let's do an event. And let's do trip dot split get the 0. Let's do station equals trip. It even understands what I want. Like, it even understands the variables and concepts. That's so good. Okay, so make it on the trip. You know what? Do the trip, and also do the rest. Yay, time, date, time, trip, event, station, and amount. That's good. So one thing that I like to do is to save this as a CSV file. So instead of trying this in here, do data frame equals, thank you, from pandas. Oh no, it's not this. Import pandas as PD. Yes, let's do data frame PD dot data frame. I actually can pass the travels, but I like the specific columns. So do columns equals. I can't. I don't know what to do with this thing. I don't like the trip. Okay, so let's format this thing. Format document, whatever. And let's just ignore the trip because it's an event and a station. I'm not gonna combine everything. Like, check-in of that station. No, it's a checked-in or a check-out. It's a station. That's different field. Keep them separated. So columns shouldn't be like that. Columns is like that. Tag time, event station, amount. Yes, and show me the data frame. Wow, that's good. Okay. Now just save it. So df.toCSV, travel history index false, everything is good. I kinda need you to add travel history on the line. I need a date time something. Date time equals no. Date dot date time dot now str something from date time import date time. Yep. Go ahead, put this here. And this is a date time. Everything is on the line. Year, month, something, everything good. Okay, so we have it here, and we probably can view it with something else. We cannot. Nice. So let's open it up. Open containing folder. Does it work? It does not. So let's just see if this opens it. Let's do travel. Come on, you want to run it? Really? It's here. Okay, calc this. Is it null? If it's not calc. Okay, let me check this out. Okay, sorry, I didn't want you to see everything over there, but we're probably good here. So have the null card, standard, sorry, and seems fine. I don't do tabs and things, so let's open it like that, and that's not bad. So let's see how. Yeah, thank you, RTA. You could have at least just. So basically I had a null passing here and it doesn't show me the actual cost of a trip. It's just telling me, oh, we deducted this, oh, we added this. You could have just easily said, oh, the price was this. But now you have to like figure out the price from these two stations and just calculate it and everything. But that's it. Where is the Century Plaza? Interesting. That's kinda interesting. Century Plaza. And 1 and 2, like, I got in one, I got out at the other one. Can you? Okay, no, maybe. Okay, now I know. I was at the Mercato shopping mall, got to Century. From Century, I went to. Is this correct? Yeah, from Century, I went to here. From here, I went to here the day after. Yes. Okay, yeah, this is near the Business Bay metro station. Okay, sure. So that's it. I wanted you guys to see this code. I'm gonna clean it up in the short next video and have a running script that actually works. So take care. Hopefully this comes handy and hopefully you enjoyed my coding practices.